Today I'm gonna attempt to do repair on my YSL Puffer bag, all the corners. So please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. And today, as I already mentioned, I'm gonna do repair on my YSL LouLou Puffer bag. I have this bag already for several months, and this bag made of lambskin, and it's extremely soft, and I mean it's a perfect handbag. I love it so very much. But when it comes to lambskin, no matter what you do, it's very delicate leather and it's extremely soft. So, and recently I did video wear and tear on my YSL LouLou Puffer bag. I'm gonna link it somewhere over here. And I mentioned in that video that I want to try to do repair at home myself and see what's going to be a result. So I did that repair at home, and I'm gonna walk you through my repair stages, what I did, what is the result. So please don't click anyway, stay with me. So I use 3 products, and by no means it's not a promotion of any of these products, but just generally, if you want to use any of your personally like favorite products, go ahead. But it has to be 3 stages. The stage number 1, it's cleaning. Today I will try to repair corners on my YSL LouLou Puffer bag. And guys, please don't judge my nails. You can see that they're absolutely horrible, but I mean COVID-19, that's only one word I have to say. I will try to repair these corners today myself. Like you can see, just slight rubbing on the corners, and it's either gonna go absolutely perfect or it's gonna fail spectacularly, and you know, I'm gonna destroy my YSL handbag. Before I'm gonna do repair, I will try to obviously clean my handbag, and for this one I'm gonna use easy cleaner, and it's supposed to be perfect for suede, leather, nubuck, and etc. So should be good for leather. I will try to clean. Soak paper towel with that cleaner. Just kind of soak it a little bit, and let's try somewhere at the bottom first. So seems to me it's cleaning quite well. Gonna first try to clean it at the bottom, all over. On the sides, at the front, just all over, nice cleaning. We're gonna remove all the dirt, dust. That's kind of little spot over there. Not sure what is that. It's kind of, oh no, that's just a simple dirt. I thought it's almost like, you know, discoloration. No, just the dirt. Cleaned off quite nicely. Just continue cleaning and we shall see. All edges, little bit of handles, and you can see it's actually taken away a little bit of color, which is fine. After that we're gonna protect with the spray. So seems to me that it's fairly clean. If you notice something that I didn't clean off, put the comments. After I did cleaning stage of my handbag, the handbag is clean and dry. The next stage is actual repair of the corners. And I decided to use a special repair for suede. And you're gonna most likely ask, why suede? Because when it comes to the corners, especially on the lambskin, when they get rubbed off, the texture in the corner becomes almost like a little bit fuzzy, so somewhat reminds of suede texture. So I thought if I'm gonna use a suede renovator, it will be perfect for the corners. So, and what I use is this product. Obviously you can use, once again, any products that you like, and it's a black suede renovator. So the magic moment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take paper towel, and I will try somehow cover everything except for that corner. Like you see, I just left the corner, and we shall see. Okay guys, pray for me. I'm trying to catch this also on camera. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's just do another one. Another corner right there. Because what I need just the corners. I don't need the whole bag. Just the rubbing on the corners. That's what I need. Okay. Right there. And it's went inside the leather perfectly. I hope it's here is on camera. I hope it shows, like you see how it went inside the leather perfectly. So let's just do one by one, all corners. Okay. It just soaking in inside the leather perfectly. So that's what I thought. Because it's for suede, because suede obviously has some kind of texture, almost like a fluffy type of leather. So I thought if it's repair for the suede, it should be perfect for those corners, because the corners get some kind of fluffy texture. Okay, there you go. Goes in quite nicely. So I just washed my hands, and you can see there is lots of color settled inside my fingers, and I did it on purposely without the gloves. So I want to see actually how much the color gonna stick to the skin, because our skin pretty much the leather. So I have a great hopes that maybe it's actually going to be quite nice repair. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera so that you can see the corners. This was the worst corner from the very beginning. Let me just, hopefully the camera will focus. So this is the worst corner from all of them. So this is the corner number 2. Looks like quite okay. This is the corner number 3. And this is the corner number 4. So now, as per instruction, I'm supposed to wait that it's gonna dry up completely before I can spray any protectors on those corners, or I can actually reapply the color once again. So we shall see. We shall see what is going to be result in few hours. So in few hours I'm gonna either do the second spray, or I just gonna do protection all over the handbag. After I did the first spray of the corners, I wait several hours to ensuring that all the corners are perfectly dry, and I did second spray of corners. Once again, back to the video. It's time to add second layer of spray to corners. So this is roughly about 2-3 hours after I sprayed the first layer. I hope the camera is focusing. So this is corner 1, this is corner 2, this is corner 3, and this is the corner 4. They look pretty good. I just want to add a little bit more color and saturation to those corners so that they fully dye through. And obviously I'm using my gloves right now. You can see, guys, for the second layer I'm adding gloves, and this time I wanna play differently. So what I'm gonna do, instead of spray directly to the corners, I'm gonna spray to small cotton and then gently, kind of almost like a tapping technique on the on corners. So in this way I'm not gonna add too much of dye, just a little bit, just spraying on the cotton like that. And this time I'm gonna choose dabbing technique, just like that, dabbing on the corners. Corner 1, dabbing on the corners. Corner 2, looking pretty good actually. Dabbing on the corners, corner number 3, and that's corner number 4. I hope guys you see it nicely. So at this time I would like to inspect the bag all over and see if I might be needed somewhere just a slight touch up. Since I'm doing this right now on the corners, maybe I'm gonna need slight touch up. Right now I feel very good about all this process, and I think the final result will be looking pretty good. I would say pretty good. Once my handbag completely dried, I knew that I have to protect those corners somehow, and I decided to use general leather and suede and nubuck protector, and that's what I have at home. And as I said, it doesn't have to be anything special, but as long as you're protecting you know, those corners. And in general, I decided to give a light spray all over my handbag. So once again, go back to video. I'm preparing for the final stage. I decided to use different technique. So I have a paper towel, so I'm gonna cut little bit corner over there with scissors. So I have a little bit of opening. Here's the corner right there. There you go. Another corner right there. Now we're gonna cover logo and just do the general spray all together. Now it all has to be dry, and I will report you on the result of this repair. Hopefully it will be a good one. So stay tuned to see the final result of this repair. So now you can see that it's 3 stages of my repair / cleaning and protecting of the handbag. I hope that it's gonna work for me for many years to come. And I'm gonna come right now a little bit closer to the camera, and we'll try to show you those corners. Are they absolutely perfect right now? No. Obviously, if you really look very closely, you can see slight rubbing. Are they better? 100%. They're 100% better. And obviously I did it at home, and I can always do retouching myself at home. So let me just come closer to the camera and show you those corners. So this is the corner number 1. So this is the corner number 2. Once again, quite nicely repaired. This is the corner number 3. And this is the corner number 4. And I did, once again, general cleanup of everything, just kind of moisturize, hydrate leather, and that's the final result. And the handbag pretty much looking brand new. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate. Place your questions in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give me likes, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.